At just past 7 in the morning on June 30th, 1908, in what is now Krasnoyarsk, Russia, a massive asteroid plunged into the Earth's atmosphere and exploded in the sky. The asteroid, called a bolide once in the Earth's atmosphere, had an estimated diameter of 130 feet and exploded at an altitude of about 6 miles. The resulting crater can still be seen today. We are talking, of course, about the Tunguska Event, one of the biggest asteroid collisions with Earth in history. The Soviet Academy of Sciences first sent geologist Leonid Kulik on an expedition to the site in 1921. The delay was due to the devastation of World War I, but he was unable to reach the area until 1927. Even though 19 years had passed, the area still bore unmistakable signs of the explosion. In his observations, Kulik described a butterfly-shaped area of destruction of 830 square miles with an estimated 80 million trees knocked over. That makes the impact zone roughly the size of Jacksonville, Florida, incidentally, the largest city by area in the continental United States. Thankfully, due to its remote location in Siberia, few human casualties were reported. Other obvious collision sites include the Beringer crater in Arizona, USA, that dates back 50,000 years, as well as perhaps the most famous asteroid collision of all, the Chicxulub crater on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This impact occurred 65 million years ago when an asteroid estimated to be 200 kilometers wide and a kilometer thick slammed into the Earth, causing the end of the Cretaceous period and the destruction of the non-avian dinosaurs. Even our moon is believed to have been created when a Mars-sized planetary body hit the Earth during the formation of our solar system. So should we be worried? No. In the years from 1994 to 2013, over 500 bolides entered the Earth's atmosphere, most of which completely disintegrated. In 2016, NASA formed the Planetary Defense Coordination Office to identify near-Earth objects, known as NEOs, and send global warnings should the need arise. PDCO also created a defense technique known as kinetic impact, which can slow or deflect an asteroid from reaching the Earth. In fact, according to NASA Planetary Defense Office Lindley Johnson, quote, "A collision of an NEO with Earth is the only natural disaster we now know how humanity could completely prevent. We must keep searching for what we know is still out there, and we must continue to research and test planetary defense technologies and capabilities that could one day protect our planet's inhabitants from a devastating event."